Hi there everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have another haul for you all and I'm pretty excited. And these are from Banggood, banggood.com. I am going to be putting in the description box below the link to the site. Okay, so let's get started with the small ones first. And I like this because, you know, my daughter would love them. I know she watches my channel. You've seen her, I've introduced her to you, so this is not going to be a surprise for her. Okay, these are really cute and I picked this out thinking about her because I know she would really love them. You know, she's into anime, she's into cute things like this one. Oh my gosh, should I show you each and every one of them? Maybe I should, right? Okay, so wow, look at this. Isn't that cute? This one is a soccer, not a sucker, okay, a soccer. These are all pandas. I love these cute pandas. And this is a kawaii girl. And she's supposed to be leaning on her elbows. Something like this. So cute. Love her yellow dress. She looks like she's contemplating on the future. Love this one too. Another soccer. So, soccer players. Okay. So this one is wearing yellow. So they are playing on the opposite team. Oh, so cute. I don't know what to make of this. Is this mocking somebody, like sticking out his tongue or crying? Or it's just simply saying bleh, bored. Okay, it looks like it's wearing a diaper, but it's just being a panda because I know they really have the black and white. And it's just sitting down and being cute. So kawaii. When I say kawaii, it's a Japanese term or word for cute. So cute. What else? Let's see here. Oh, they have different expressions and poses. So this one also, I imagine this one kind of like sliding down, you know. Then this one, let's see here. No two are alike when it comes to poses. So this one, just waving, sitting down. Oh, here's another girl. Oh, look at that. She's holding a green mushroom. Cute. Oh, how many are these? Oh, cute. I imagine them being positioned next to each other. You know, just it's the same character but doing different poses. So these are all cute stuff. So this one could be sitting down or kind of sticking out his butt like that, bending. Oh, there's another soccer. Oh, what happened to the ball? The ball for this one, maybe I'll need to hot glue this one. I don't know if it was intended to be loose, but I think not, because the other ones, they were kicking the ball. So this one should have the ball here too. Oh yeah, I think the glue, it got detached. So yeah, there's another cute one. Oh, she's adorable. She's holding, you know, some leaves or branches, and she's wearing a red dress. She's so adorable. Cute. Then, oh, this one, another soccer. And these pandas love to play soccer. Look at this. Look at the facial expression with the ball on the top of the head. Oh, so cute. Kawaii. Go fast on this. Here's another one. Another position. Okay, and this one holding a ball, but it looks like it's a beach ball or a basketball instead of a soccer ball. So cute. And then, oh, my, how could you pose this way, right? These are the hands and these are the legs. How cute is that? And then this one, what is that on his head? Okay, it's a beanie, but you would think it's a bra. Okay, PG-13. we're supposed to be wholesome here, right? But look at that, how cute it is. So cute. And then there are some small or mini pandas. So this one is just a panda in its natural looking state. And then this one, of course, a caricature again. It looks like a girl. Let's see here, so you could see the size. And then this one here, another cute one, riding a big leaf. And then this one has a donut. This panda likes donut. Okay. And then this one is a girl just standing there. And this one, another cute one. And these are the two bears. Well, they're both guys, I think, yeah. One is sitting down and one is standing up. They're not pandas, they're just like teddy bears. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do, because we have been assembling houses or DIY miniature houses, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably put them there. Okay, speaking of building miniature houses, I got this one as well. This is by Itida, Good Life. And these are the wooden furnitures for the houses. So I got the set. And this one is a sink. See, cute color. It is made of wood. And what I didn't know is that these doors open. Look at that. Functional in a way, right? It's has a countertop, a pink countertop, and then there's a green under sink there, and then yellow and green. Love it. And here's the faucet, and then here's the table, and here are 4 chairs, dining chairs. So just want to show you the detail on one of them. Now this one, we haven't pushed out the wood out yet. This should look like this, with 3 elongated holes at the back. So they all match with the sink. So yeah, they come in a set. So there's the sink and there's the dinette. Now the last piece that I have, this is my favorite of all. This is a teardrop trailer. I am just gonna unbox it, and my daughter, what she's gonna do is she's gonna build it in her channel, and who knows, maybe I'll do a guest appearance there. So this is time travel. This SKU or SKU number is SKU 347914-137-29338. Okay, and let's see what they have. Oh wow, oh, lots of goodies again to build. Wow, lots of parts. Okay, so there's going to be another some electricals. I call them electricals. So glue, there's white glue here, and here is the manual catalog for the parts. And this one probably will be for either the wall or the floor. And these are probably some finishes that I can use to embellish. Oh, look at that. There's even, they probably sold for shoes. And yeah, let's see here. Kind of like puzzles. These ones are 3-dimensional. So you're kind of building or putting together a big puzzle, and it turns out to be a home, or in this case, a trailer. So that's the fun of it. So if you enjoy putting together puzzles or Legos when you were young, you will enjoy this as well. Yeah, look at this. There's a side here also. So I'm so excited at how it's gonna come out. This is how it looks like on the side or the back, and this is probably the back part. This is another side of it. And then, yeah, look at this. And then this is the side where it's open that you can see what's inside. So excited. So yeah, these are in Japanese, the instructions. Oh well, that's the only thing. Either I don't know if this is Japanese or Chinese. I think these are Chinese characters. Yeah, Chinese. But what's good about this, it's easy to follow the illustration or drawings. Let's open this up here. Here. Oh wow. Okay, so at least the trailer is already built. Pre-built. That's amazing. Okay. So cute. I like it because it came in the color that I like. I love this color a lot. I mean, really, I didn't imagine it to be this built already, which I think is good. I really love it. So the things that we are going to be assembling are the embellishments, the trims, the furnishings, appliances. Oh, okay. Amazing. Oh, look at that. This is the shell itself, and it's already built, the structure. Now, again, like in the photo here, look, I will be putting a door, window, and window boxes here, and I think you can put something that you can wind here. There's some winding mechanism here, and then on the side here there's another window. So yeah, okay, I love it already. I mean, even like this, it's going to be easy to assemble now. When unboxing these things, you have to be very, very careful. But it's a good thing they have illustration that show you a little bit about what they have. So they have batting here, some fabrics, and I think these are faux leather that you can use. These are for upholstery and finishes. These ones are for the trims and probably in building furnishing as well as, you know, making the windows and the doors. They all come here in the pack. So this is labeled A, this one is C. And then there are labels here as well. I think you're just gonna match other things too. So this one is another C. So probably they just, oh, this is a light fixture. Awesome. You can see that. Okay, this one is another letter C, again for trims. So there are some wires here, thin wires, lace trims, and they give you the tools already. Oh, there are more for letter B. This is letter B, so for the door panels, the wood, making or building furniture and appliances. There's another one, another letter B, more wood. So again, like I said, they're like puzzle pieces that you're going to put together. And then this one, these are the greenery or foliages. So there's some plants here because there are some window boxes that you have to add some plants. So you can use this or make your own. And here are some more trims for the window shutters and the window seals, doors. Oh, these are other embellishments. Yeah, they look like parts of the jewelry. And there's some wiring here and a battery pack. There's no battery because they're very careful about shipping, whether domestic or international. They don't put battery, so you'll probably put in a form of battery here, probably a AA or AAA, so pretty easy. And yeah. And oh, the wheels for the trailer, of course, trailer moves, they're like cars. So there are wheels as well. And like I said earlier, this is probably the one that winds that you can put at the back, and maybe there's some music. Yeah, I think there's some music. I think it's a musical one. What you can build here, there's a dining table with 2 chairs. There's a kitchen sink. There's a kind of like a diner area. There's even a guitar, a bed with quilt, and some kind of futon. There's a light fixture that we're gonna attempt to make or build, and then there's the couch. And look, I don't know if they have the puppy. I didn't see it, but because of those small, cute panda bears, they can live inside the trailer too. So yeah. Oh, there's another item here. They come with the white glue, but you can get this easily at Dollar Tree. or any crafting stores. Let's see here. What's inside this one? I didn't even know it's musical. So I know that this is going to be an adventure for us to do. Tons of parts for this three-dimensional puzzle. I call it three-dimensional because it's not flat unlike the regular puzzle. So we're just going to put them together and have fun. Really liking the quality of this one so far, and I'm going to be linking down below the information about these items that I have unboxed. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a hobbyist, welcome here. I have another video that I'm going to be linking it up here, and I'm also going to link my daughter's channel because that's where we're going to build this one. So if you want to see us how to build this, head out to my daughter's channel. That'll be something that she will announce in her channel, so hopefully we can make it soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. And leave some comments down below. I enjoy reading them. Take care everyone, and God bless. Talk to you again on my next video. Bye bye.